experience discouragement, and when you experience division and frustration, it changes your environment so subtly that you don't realize that you're no longer activated the way you once were. That you're no longer passionate the way you once were. It happens so suddenly that you don't even realize that it's happened in your heart. It happens so suddenly. You used to be passionate about it. Now you don't understand. I used to think it was possible. Now it's no longer in reach. What happened? That discouragement that was in your environment invaded your heart. And now your heart, you don't have the heart for it anymore. You don't have the heart for the ministry. You don't have the heart for the marriage. You don't have the heart for the degree. You don't have it. You once had it. What happened? It got hard. It got tough. They started betraying me, and I just don't have the heart that I once had for it. Same thing happened to Sarah, who once wanted a child in the Bible. And then when the angel of the Lord finally says to her, you're going to give birth, she laughs. How did I go from being in expectation to being the one who laughs at the very thing I was praying for? Something infiltrated my inner environment. And because it infiltrated my inner environment, I don't show up with the same heart and the same passion that is required, not negotiable. It is required that you have your heart in this thing, because you cannot change anything unless your heart is in it. You cannot withstand the discouragement unless your heart is in it. But I came here to let you know that somebody's getting their heart back. I came here to let you know that God will not leave you on the mission field without taking care of the wounds that have affected your heart. I came here to let you know, maybe I brought your heart back with you. Maybe I came to tell you that God can do a heart surgery right here, right now in this room, that if you would be willing to open up your mouth and to open up your spirit and say, God, I want my heart back. I want my heart for the things of God. I want my heart for this purpose. I want my heart for my children. I want my heart for this ministry. God, I want it back. I want it back. I want it back. I can't keep living and walking like I don't have a heart anymore. I can't keep pretending that it doesn't matter to me anymore. And I cannot continue to watch a generation be destroyed and to watch my family system crumble while I sit back and do nothing. I hear God saying, everything I'm going to do through the earth, I'm going to do it through you. But I got to do it through your heart. I cannot do it through your intellect. I cannot do it through your connections. I can only do it when your heart is in it.